Welcome to RoxyBit, the ultimate destination for artists, creators, and collectors at the intersection of AI-generated art and non-fungible tokens, NFTs. Unleash your imagination and bring your digital art to life with the power of AI. Key features and benefits. AI art creation. Dive into the world of AI-powered art creation. Transform your ideas into stunning digital artwork using our AI models and styles. Free art generation. Get started with 10 free art generations. Experiment with different AI models and techniques without financial barriers. Diverse neural networks. Choose from a rich selection of neural networks to apply various artistic styles to your creations. NFT exchange. RoxyBit serves as a secure NFT exchange and trading platform. Sell and trade your NFT artwork effortlessly. Empowerment for artists. We empower artists by providing the tools and resources needed to turn concepts into visually captivating digital art. User benefits. Limitless creativity. Turn your imagination into reality with AI-generated art. Risk-free exploration. Experiment with AI art creation using our 10 free generations. Artistic diversity. Explore different AI models and styles to find your unique artistic voice. Secure NFT trading. Join a secure marketplace for NFT art, connecting artists and collectors. Summary: RoxyBit is your gateway to the future of digital art and NFTs. With AI-powered art creation, free art generation, diverse neural networks, and a secure NFT exchange, we empower artists to unleash their creativity and connect with collectors. Join RoxyBit to redefine the boundaries of artistic expression and ownership in the digital realm. Turn your vision into AI-generated art and explore the exciting world of NFTs with us.